Alright, what's up guys? Zach from Chabbz here, and today we are doing the 5 can challenge. Decided to go with Stoker's Mint, dropped it, my bad. Decided to go with the Stoker's Mint. Originally I wanted to do like kayak or something, like something that I really don't enjoy, but they don't sell kayak anymore, and the cheapest thing I could find was Stoker's, and as you know, I always get Stoker's. Pretty much, that's all I dip is the Stoker's or Copenhagen. But yeah, they had logs for $10. I've never seen them. I've never seen the logs before. I've never seen the cans of Stoker's before. So, first time I'm getting cans of Stoker's is for the 5 can challenge. So, all right, here it goes. Unopened log. We're about to crack this bitch right now. There it is. Fuck. Stupid son of a fucking bitch. Are you fucking kidding me? Are you fucking kidding me? Alright, this does not want to open. I have a knife somewhere. Hold up. God fucking damn it. Of course I get, like, the one that does not want to fucking open for me. And, just letting you guys know, I'm going to try to get this done as fast as possible. My stomach is a little bit upset today, but yesterday I said I would do it today. So I am sticking to my fucking word. I do not give a shit about any of that. But alright. Alright. And since I do not have someone else to record this for me, I am just going to be doing it by myself. I have my phone on my laptop. I'm going to show you every single can. I'm going to show you this right now, alright? Got 5 cans. All of them are unopened. I have a white towel underneath me. I will show you the white towel when it's completely over. Alright? Does that sound good? Alright. Yeah, I have to do it at like a ridiculous height where you can't really see me, but all these tins uncracked. I just got them out of the log. Alright? So uncracked, have not been tampered with. So no fucking conspiracies. But yes, I'm going to try to get this done as soon as possible. Like I said, my fucking stomach is upset today. My eye has been fucking hurting a little bit, but yeah, I'm going to fucking get this done. I'm just gonna crack all of them right now. You see the uncracking and the packing of each one. There's one. I do not want to have to fucking waste the time and sit there with a bunch of dip in my mouth and cracking these fucking things. There's 2. Three. Uncracked. Like I said. Cracked. Alright. I will not show you each tin after it's done. What I'm going to do is at the end, I'm going to show you, after I have all of my dip in. Fuck, how the fuck am I going to do this? Alright. After I have all of the dip in, I'm just going to combine whatever's left in the tins into one tin, and I'm just going to throw it in. If it's big enough for a pinch, I'll pinch it and put it in. But it's probably not going to be big enough for a pinch. I'm going to try to get most of it. Whatever's left on the towel, I'm going to get. So it's going to be the complete 5 cans. Are these cans a little bit smaller? No, these are about the same size. Alright. So then, yeah. No fucking bitching. And they don't take... there's a little bit out, but nothing compared to Copenhagen. But, yeah. Let's fucking do this shit. There's one. It's about empty. That's 110, that's one side of my face. Fuck, I'm not going to be able to fit all this dip in here. Mint was a bad idea, too.